Hey guys, it's G and I am going to be vlogging today, as you can tell. But today is going to be such a fab day because Kat Von D has basically invited me down to their stand, and I basically are going to have like a little makeover and get matched up to the Kat Von D Everlasting, I think it's the foundation. I honestly can't wait to try it. You guys know how much I've loved Kat Von D. Kat Von D is probably one of my favourite brands. I'm even dressed like, you know, Kat Von D style because your girl is pretty much a dark soul at heart. If there was a brand that was ever me, like, I could relate to, it would be Kat Von D, because Kat Von D is black, but it's kind of glam, kind of wacky, kind of funky, and I love that. So yeah, I'm so grateful that Kat Von D basically has invited me down. I'm going to vlog it, I'm going to get my mum to record me, get my makeover. Yes, I have got makeup on, but I didn't want to go in there barefaced because I don't know, I just wanted to like vlog this morning, and I'm also filming part of a main channel video as well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But I have got on my lips Kat Von D Bow and Arrow because of course I had to wear the liquid lipstick. I swear by the liquid lipsticks. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let's go to Manchester and go Kat Von D. Holy mom, so exciting! So I'm in Debenhams right now and we're gonna go straight over to the Kat Von D counter.
Hydrating Primer, which is beautiful. So this is really multi-use, so you can kind of custom create your finish. So if you mix equal parts of the primer with the foundation, you make it more like a medium coverage, but it makes it a lot more glowy because this is a matte.
Yes.
And this is obviously hydrating. Do you want to have a little feel of that? Beautiful. It's packed with aloe vera and cucumber as well, so it's nice and hydrating, cooling.
It's not so very, yeah, I love that.
That's really nice.
blend that because it just those look so nice on the skin. But I don't like washing. I said to Mum, I was like, I need to get back into it. Not washed for years. I'll be coming home literally like, Mum, got a Kit Kat Bondino. Oh my god, it's just never like, I find it so hard to get my skin, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I love adding black underneath there. Oh my god. Look how green that looks. Oh my god. So that's what the palette was doing. Oh my god. That's
This one's more of a glitter.
That's beautiful. I'd have that on my cheeks. No, that's
Do you want me to pop a little bit of it on you?
So I've just had my makeup done at the Kat Von D stand with Nadine. She did such a fab job on my skin. My eyes look amazing. Like, how amazing. I'm obsessed with my absolutely. the Kat Von D makeover. I had such an amazing time, and it was so nice to get my makeup done because I never ever get my makeup done anywhere. Like, I don't really do it, so to be able to have a makeover was so amazing. And she did green eyes on me because I told her that one of my favourite colours on me is green, because I feel like it's an unloved colour and I love green. So she did this beautiful green smoky eye on me, and she added like literally 2 or 3 highlighters on me. So all of the products she did use on me today will be linked down below in the description. I will link everything, and I'll also include the prices. This isn't sponsored in any way. It's just they very kindly said, do you want to go down and get a makeover? I of course was like, yes. And I thought I'd vlog it because I don't know, I just thought it'd be nice for you to see me get a makeover, and it's a great vlogging opportunity. I also got my makeup done, which is a bonus, and she matched me up to my foundation shade, which is absolutely perfect. So your girl is definitely gonna go buy pretty much like the whole thing. Like, I want to get a new foundation. I also want to get the concealers. I also really in love with the highlight that she used on me, like the topper. It was like a really faint shimmer glitter. It was so pretty, and yeah, I had the best time ever. So thank you so much, Kat Von D. I love you guys so much. I really do. Like, I love Kat Von D so much. It's been a brand that I've always loved. I've loved them for years. So to be asked to go down to a counter and have my makeup done is amazing. Like, that is so, so fab. So thank you. I honestly, like, I'm so grateful for everything. That is incredible. And yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun. I definitely want to go out and buy a lot more Kat Von D stuff. Like, I'm really shook. I love the foundation. The eyeshadows, obviously I have the eyeshadows anyway, and I use the liquid lipstick, which is what I've got on now. And yeah, I had such a fun time, and it's the best, like, honestly the best day. So I really do hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or why not? And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.